I was doing some surfacing yesterday, and I wanted to create a spline that I could then loft to some different sections of my design. When I went to create the surface loft, I would select the edge that I wanted from the body, but then when I go to select the spline, the whole thing would be selected. And so I wanted a way to split this up. I know in SolidWorks there's a way to do that, and I have this vague memory of, even covering this on other Fusion videos. So there's not a split command, but there's something extremely similar and achieves what we want. Edit the spline you want to break up, and you can use construction lines at these points. We're going to drop in a point right here, right in the middle. And while in the sketch, I'm going to search for the tool called break. And now you'll get this little red X, and it's telling you where it's going to be breaking this up as far as the sketch is concerned. It doesn't like the point tool, but it does like when you place lines here. Now, when I finish this sketch, I now have a selectable entity that is separate. So if I were doing a surface loft, for example, from this edge, I now can select just this spline section, but still have access to the full spline that we sketched in order to match up with the rest of the part profile. I hope that helps. See you guys in the next video.